Asian steak is one of my favorite steak. You know, beside prime rib, of course. It's so delicious and flavorful. If you like that someone, impress her or him with this and she will be hooked. Uh-huh. Hi, this is Melanie and let's cook. If you like this, the recipe is at the end of the video. So we're gonna need a shallot and a couple of cloves of garlic. Mince it pretty well to release the good aroma. And go in with some black pepper. I love black pepper, maybe half a teaspoon. And about a teaspoon of sugar and a teaspoon of chicken powder. And a teaspoon of fish sauce. And then you're gonna need a tablespoon of soy sauce. Stir it all up. Not much, really. Not much to stir. But don't underestimate this. It's really good. That's all you need. Well, I have a habit of tasting it, so I like a little bit of sweet, a little bit of salty. It's in between, and when you eat it, it's gonna be just right. And of course, you're gonna need this nice piece of steak. I got this at Costco, and it comes in a package of 3 to 4 pieces. This stuff is expensive, so I'm cutting this in half. Nah, I'm just kidding. Well, I'm not kidding about being expensive, but I cut this in half because this thing is like 2 inches, and I'm going for a medium rare, a little bit, just pink in the middle. So I like for it to be thin, maybe 1 inch. So this is 2 inches, so I'm cutting this in half. You gotta share the love. You cook one for your girl and you need one for you too. So add it in there, just coat the both sides there. Make sure your peas and her peas kind of even, because looks like one of the peas, it just got all the ingredients in the marinade. But spread it out evenly. I later kind of mix it up and share the love, share the marinade. Alright, so all that is done pretty quick and easy, see? Wrap this baby up and stick it in the fridge for maybe like an hour. This dinner is so quick and easy. Or just set aside for about 30 minutes if you're kind of rushed on a last minute thing. I'm also gonna be adding some greens in here. Get a pot, bring the water to boil and give me some green here. Some good for your heart, some good for your digestive system. Well, broccoli is so good. We love broccoli. We will love vegetables in general. So I had a giant bag of broccoli, so I'm gonna have to use it. But you can use like carrots or a bell pepper or whatever you have in the fridge, like mushrooms. Whatever you like to eat. Broccoli, asparagus. Oh, okay, all kinds of different vegetables there. Alright, it's boiled. I'm only gonna blanch this real quick because you want this crunchy, you don't want it to be so smushy. Well, I don't. Well, ask your girl first, like how she likes her broccoli. Well, first you gotta ask her how she likes her steak first, and then ask her how she likes her broccoli. I like it a little crunchy, so just quickly, blanch this to help with the cooking while you're gonna stir fry this later. So that's it. I'm taking this out. Maybe 2 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes. Take this out, drain it, and set it aside. That's a lot of broccoli. I ate it all though. And all that juice, I squeeze a little bit of lemon I mean lime, and I drink it, you know, with the black pepper. Oh, I love that. So in here, I add a little bit of oil, just maybe a tablespoon. You don't really need it. You're doing ribeye. Oh, I forgot. This is ribeye. Oh, ribeye, my favorite. But it's not good for you, but it's so good for you, though. I mean, it's so good, though. So bring it to high heat. I like to cook with high heat. And lay them in there, just like so, side by side, yours and mine. I'm going to cook each side for about 2 minutes max, because that's all you need to caramelize the outside, and the inside should be all kind of like pinkish. If you go like a little bit on the well done side, you know, adjust it a little bit longer. But when the rim there a little bit caramelized up there, you know, I'm switching the other side. I'm kind of I used to like rare, but as I get older, I'm starting to get a, you know, look a little bit more well done. So that's it. 2 minutes up on both sides. Ready to go. Take these off and set it aside while it's resting. Give it a break. In the meantime, just, you know, pop those broccoli back in and get all the flavors back. Get it all back. Don't stir too bad. Just a little. And that is it. Not much more than that. I'm done. There we go. Come on. You are so doing this for your girl. Ditch the chocolate. Well, that's a bad idea, but don't ditch the chocolate. Red meat with red wine. Well, I'm drinking red wine with pretty much everything. I hope you enjoyed this Asian steak recipe. Make this for that special someone, would you? How about do it on the next Valentine's Day to surprise her? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up now, and also tell her to give me one also. Don't ditch the chocolate. Well, if you're not gonna ditch the chocolate, you know, get the special kind, the dark chocolate, like at least 70% or more. It's good for her heart. Dark chocolate and steak. Well, here, don't forget your children also need some Valentine food too. So share the love. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I appreciate it if you share it, and check out my playlist for more yummy food, and subscribe for weekly Vietnamese, Asian, home cook, gardening, and more. I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful day, and bye-bye.